In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Namecheap domain to Blogger. To get started, open your Blogger dashboard and select the blog you want to connect to your custom domain. This is important if you manage more than one blog because you want to make sure you're editing the correct site before changing any publishing settings. Once you're inside the right blog, go to the settings area. In Blogger, this is where you control the main configuration for your site, including visibility, publishing, and domain setup. Scroll until you find the publishing section. This is the part that lets you move away from the default Blogspot address and use your own branded domain instead. Now click on Custom Domain. Blogger will give you a field where you can enter the web address you want to use. In this field, type your domain using the www version of the address. For example, you should enter it in the format www.yourdomain.com. Using the www version is important here because Blogger typically requires that format during the initial connection process. After entering the domain, click Save. At this point, Blogger may not fully connect the domain right away, and that's normal. In many cases, when you try to save the custom domain for the first time, Blogger will generate DNS records that need to be added through your domain provider before the setup can be completed. The key thing in this step is entering the domain correctly and attempting to save it so Blogger can begin the setup process. As you do this, make sure there are no typos in the domain name. Even a small mistake, like missing the www or entering an extra character, can prevent the connection from working properly. It's also a good idea to double check that you're using the exact domain you purchased and that it's active in your registrar account. If the save action doesn't complete successfully right away, don't worry. That usually just means the domain still needs the proper DNS configuration on the registrar side. But from the Blogger side, this is the correct place to begin, and it gives you the details needed for the next part of setup. So to recap, open your Blogger dashboard, choose your blog, go to Settings, find Publishing, click Custom Domain, enter your domain with www, and click Save. That's the first and essential step in connecting your Namecheap domain to Blogger.